Welcome to this modern Magic 8-Ball project, a clean, animated, and interactive version of the classic fortune-telling toy. With smooth gradients, glowing highlights, and a dynamic shake animation, this digital 8-Ball delivers quick, fun, and unpredictable answers to any question you ask. Just tap the sphere and let the magic begin. This Magic 8-Ball web project recreates the iconic question and answer experience using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The design features a centered container with a neon-style glowing look, built on top of a blue-green gradient background that gives the page a mystical depth. At the center is the interactive sphere. The outer shell uses a radial gradient to imitate the real ball's shiny surface, while the inner circle displays the answer. When the user clicks the ball, a short shake animation plays, created with CSS keyframes to simulate movement and anticipation. After the animation finishes, JavaScript selects a random reply from a predefined list of 16 possible answers. These responses range from confident yes and no statements to more mysterious or vague predictions, echoing the personality of a classic Magic 8-Ball. The chosen answer fades into the inner display, creating a satisfying reveal moment. The interface also includes a button that triggers the same animation and generates a new answer, allowing users to ask as many questions as they want. Altogether, the project demonstrates how simple UI elements, combined with gradients, shadows, animations, and a bit of JavaScript logic, can create an engaging and polished interactive experience. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.